mga documents.
Isa pang follow-up nila, Deputy Speaker David Suarez claimed that OVP is hiding Ms. Gina Acosta in Caraga. That's why there's an ongoing event here in Butuan.
Well, alam naman ng lahat na it's the 89th anniversary of the Office of the Vice President, and hindi lang Caraga ang merong activities in relation to the anniversary, no? In fact, sa susunod na araw, nasa Bukidnon kami for Southern Mindanao, Central Mindanao, and then nasa Lanao del Sur kami for Western Mindanao, and then, for BARM, and then nasa Isabela City kami for Western Mindanao, and then meron din kami sa Cebu, meron din kami sa Leyte, meron din kami sa Ifugao. All these were planned and prepared last year when we proposed our budget in relation